Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. Very excited to have this box here today, and we'll just flip it over so that you can see it, maybe. Yep, it came in another box, so you can probably already tell by the silhouette there who it is. Let's crack this box open. Sometimes they send them in another package, and sometimes they send them with just the label on this box. But I think it's kind of cool how the recent ones they've been showing a silhouette of the character. I like that. Oh, what is this? It's even packaged different. It's wrapped in tissue paper. All right. Put that off to the side here. Wow. It's like opening a present. It is the Masters of the Universe Origins Powers of Grayskull Hero. The tissue paper was a nice touch there. That made it even more exciting. But yeah, check out this box. Got the Power of Grayskull logo on the side here. Got a cool picture of Hero, and that is really cool. And this was a Club Grayskull exclusive, and yes, I did become a member of the Club Grayskull. And then that side, check out at the bottom, and the top is just that. But oh, it just slides right down. No messing around. So let's turn this over here so you can. I always appreciate the Masters of the Universe artwork. Got a little treasure chest of goodies here. I'm guessing it's a staff. Yep, I bet it is. Let's do one of these. There we go. It's in the closed position, it looks like, and that's all that we have there. I guess I didn't realize it had that little finger guard there. Alright, we'll just put the staff over here for now. We need to free Hero from the box. Or his, well, that's different. How do I get you out of here? You have the... Yep, you got the ties. I'm wondering if I gotta pop his head off, take the cape out through the back maybe. Oh, there's the mini comic. Didn't even see that. Need to check that out quick. It is pretty cool how they did that. Hero's Journey. Let's check out the mini comic quick. Maybe. I'm having a hard time today. There's the front. And I will try my best not to have the glare in there and get my fingers out of the way. So you could pause it and check it out if you want. And next page. This is way better than my last setup, and that is the last page. And then Masters of the Universe in the back there. I like to share the comic. And yeah, let's try to get him out of here without causing any damage. Got the old trusty scissors out before I recorded for once, so I didn't have to leave the room. Don't always remember that. Which side? It looks like it'd be easier through this side. And I can hold the cape up and the figure better so I don't give him a trim here. Why not? There we go. Hands have them? I don't think so. Let's free the... Yeah, 1 foot forward there. Maybe. Kind of stuck. There we go. Okay. So what I'm probably going to do is pop his head up, if it does. Free his arm first. So I don't... Or wait. Let's take a better look at it, because maybe... I still think it'd be better to pop his head up, maybe. There we go. We'll just do that, and then slip it through the back, because it's... I don't know how well that would have... Probably could have got it by butchering the plastic packaging, but we got it to work. Throw the cape back on, because Hero has to have his cape. Pop his head back on. There we go. Look at that. You bet. 2 thumbs up. And I was a little worried when I first saw, well, not so much worried, but I was wondering if it was actually vac metal. But then I checked out my Terraclaw Skeletor and seen it was vac metal. A lot of the pictures that I seen online really didn't give it justice, but yeah, nice and shiny. Love it. You don't need these ankle. Look at that. I don't remember the other ones having that. It's like, what is this stuff? Huh. That's cool. Probably protects the, probably protects it. But yeah, look at that. Hero. So I'll bring him up to you and we'll do the cover his mouth there, I guess. Give him the spin around. Up close so you can check him out. Cape just kind of... There we go. Nice and shiny on the back too. And there we have it. Yeah. I'm looking through the phone as I'm recording and trying to spin them around, so if it looks kind of awkward, it's because I'm kind of looking at the camera then looking below the camera. Let's get the staff in hand here. Of course, he's got all the movements that a Mode 2 Origin would have. And obviously his parts pop off, so you can swap stuff around if you want to. These wrist bracers actually, first I thought it was molded, but it's actually, I bet you could probably pop his hand off and then pull them off if you wanted to. They are separate pieces. Cool. Like I said, let's get staff in hand here. There we have it. Nice. And then I believe this opens up. So I'm gonna hang out right there, Hero. I'll try to figure this part out. Ooh, wow. Make sure I'm doing it right. It's tight. Not like Indiana Jones's arm that time. On that action figure, that was really tight. You will not have to worry about that flopping around. Got the green. All right, it's probably emerald, huh? Emerald gem. Yeah, all 4 of them. I plan on mine go on a shelf inside like a cabinet with a glass door. So I usually decide how I want to pose them, and that's how I put them. So I will probably leave that open. That's something that I don't think me personally, I don't think I would be opening and shutting that quite often, so it's not a big deal for me. See if I can do a dual grip. No. There we go. Now you get the idea. Probably more than, oh yeah, here we go. Probably pose it like the box art. I kind of like that pose. Turn the head a little bit. He doesn't have the gritted teeth. Pissed off look. He's very happy. Very happy fella. So that's awesome. That is Hero. I'll bring the staff up so you can kind of see that closer too. Like that. All right. Very excited to have this one. And the cape feels really good. It's plastic, but it almost feels, with the texture that it's got, it almost feels fabric-y. Honestly, I don't know if you can see that pattern in there. Should be able to. Got a good feel to it. So that's Origins Hero. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.